The BSc in Nutrition, Food and Business Management is a 4-year Level 8 honours degree with a 20-week placement opportunity in Year 3. Students get to travel abroad as well if they want to for that. The students on the programme typically enjoy a mix of food and science labs with hands-on learning in both those areas, and projects then such as digital marketing and marketing research, where students take on activities for real companies and solve real-world commercial problems for them in the process.
What I like most about this course is that it has a food science and a business element. This course also gives you the opportunity to do placement in 3rd year, which is a really good kickstart to your career. I chose this course because I knew coming into it I'd be able to complete placement. ATU St Angela's really helped me secure my placement with a global leader Kerry Group. As a direct result of completing my placement at Kerry Group, I was successful in securing a place on their graduate programme, and I'm so excited to start in September.
In Year 4 of the programme, students study a module called New Food Product Development and Innovations. The aim of this module is to help students appreciate the intricacies of developing a new food product. They develop a product right through from idea concept to prototype development and product launch, where they pitch their business ideas to industry experts. Alongside developing the food product itself, they also develop food packaging, labelling, a business plan and a HACCP plan. Our panel of judges on the day evaluate the products, and they select a winner based on which product is deemed the most commercially viable in the marketplace. It's an extremely rewarding module, and it combines all of the knowledge and skills gained in years 1 to 3 of the programme, such as food science and culinary skills, food production, microbiology, food legislation, and all of the business elements as well, such as marketing research, consumer behaviour, innovations, enterprise and entrepreneurship as well.
My name is Jane McCormick and I'm a graduate of the Nutrition, Food, Business Management course at ATU St Angela's. I really enjoyed the exposure of both food related and business related topics and the blend of theory-based classes and then the practical in the labs. I definitely gained experience and important skills from 3rd year placement. I was able to apply what I learned from the course into that role and into the current role I'm in food quality.
The work placement element of our programme is for a minimum of 20 weeks. Students can do that here in Ireland, or they can opt to do it in the UK or travel to various parts of the EU. They typically work here in Ireland for companies such as Kerry, Cheerland, Lakeland, Abbott, Dairygold, ABP and a variety of other smaller local companies as well. There's a wide variety of roles our graduates go into, such as product development, quality auditing, work with food safety and animal welfare regulatory bodies, operations management, marketing. Students also have recently gone into the pharmaceutical industry from our programme as well upon graduation. Graduates typically rank our programme as very good to excellent in terms of providing them with the skills and opportunities they needed for their current job roles. And despite being a relatively new programme, roughly 50% of our graduates already meet or exceed average food industry earnings already.
Choose the BSc in Nutrition, Food and Business Management at ATU St Angela's.